Hey guys, welcome back to another Weird Wish Wednesday. Well, today I'm going to be trying out a couple of products to hopefully help slim down and tighten up the face. So we have this doohickey here, which looks like a big set of lips. And then I have this device, which I'm trying to figure out how to use it because, of course, coming from Wish, everything in the back is in, hopefully you can see Canby's. So I haven't even taken this one out of the package yet. Let's take a look at this thing. Oh, okay. It's got like a springy action to it. You can see this goes in and out. She's got it. So, yeah. So I think the big part, because there's two different sizes on the end here, you can see that very well. So I think the big part goes inside your mouth. Oh, you do. This is rubbing against my teeth, so that can't be good. She had her mouth open, so I think I would do is just exercise. Yeah, like mouth push-ups. It's like mouth push-ups. Mouth push-ups. Hopefully you can understand me. Okay, try it again. Feel it. Okay, I feel it start to work like in this area right here. So maybe that'll do something with these little droopy things. All right, this one, I have tried this one yesterday. So this you're supposed to put in your mouth and talk normally for 3 minutes. They recommend that you actually do the vowels with it. So that's supposed to help tighten up everything in your cheek area here. And this does not go in back of your teeth, it goes in front of your teeth. So watch this one. Okay, I have it in, and I set the timer on my phone now for 3 minutes. And I'm going to fast forward it here, but I'm going to try it and talk nonstop for the next 3 minutes. That you don't have to see the whole 3 minutes, just I'll fast forward it. So I'll start saying my vowels. A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I. Oh, okay, I am sore all the way around the inside of my mouth from this thing because that is really, really thick. So I don't know if you need to like trim it down a little bit. Maybe I'll try that, but oh. My lips are numb. I don't know if that's supposed to happen, but yeah, I used it yesterday. It wasn't a long-lasting feeling, but you definitely feel that you're using the muscles around your mouth a lot more. So I don't know if this is going to do anything. I'm going to use it for the next couple of weeks, and I'll report back to you guys, and I will start using this one as well. I definitely feel more muscles being used in this one than I do on this, because this one just works right in here whereas this is working all the way around your mouth. So we're saying the vowels actually works pretty good, but they say that you should speak out loud while you're doing it. That way I guess you enunciate more when you do that, but you could sing along to a song, whatever you want to do. But hey, it's another Weird Wish Wednesday. Just thought I'd throw that out there for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And just like today, I'm throwing in a Weird Wish Wednesday. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions of things you'd like to see me try when I do Weird Wish Wednesday, leave those down below in the comment box, please. So until next time, you guys, I love you, and bye-bye.